$100,000 on the wrist. Diamonds on me got me hella lit. 200,000 on the whip. Oh, they throwing shit, I never trip. I feel so special. I feel so special, so special. I feel so special.
And hello BB family, welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Today we are getting slayed and laid again. And you've already probably seen the video of me coloring my hair. Now I'm getting it done again by my homegirl Azzy. You've seen her in my last video. Can't wait. I haven't got my hair done in a minute. I haven't felt like a baddie. You know, it's time to transform. Stay tuned. Bye. Look at this hair. I'm back with Azzy again. I had to come get her slayed again. Oh my god, it's so pretty. So, wait, what side do you want to do though? You can do a side. Thank you for coming with something different out here in the street. That's what it's giving. It's giving. Where's the lace for me? hair. It's giving me real Hollywood curls and vibes. Thank you for liking the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Shop Brooke's Cosmetics. Stay tuned. Love you. Bye.